everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make a subscribe button on Canva. So let's get started. Sign into your Canva account and start a new design or open an existing one. Now here I already add a green background. Now go to the Elements section and search for subscribe. Click on it. You can also add a like button and a notification bell. Now I'm going to add a shape here and you can customize it as you want. Position and resize the icon and other elements to achieve the desired layout. Now select the elements and go for animation. From here you can make animation. Okay, once you are satisfied with your design, download it. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.